Mm-hmm. La-dee-da-dee-dum. To learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. La 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 la. Okay, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and over here, looking just fly.
Oh, get out of here.
Do the kids still say that?
I don't
Fly?
think so, no.
Looking just lovely. The lovely and talented Natasha. Ikadom BOOZHOO, Weenie Mushen.
BOOZHOO. Hello.
So today, our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning.
Giga Jeb.
Nah. What should our word be? I mean, that is a phrase, Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. Good morning. It is the first morning of the Gitchi Manadu Gizas.
Yeah.
Of the Great Spirit Moon.
Mm-hmm.
It's a new year. Hoshki Kikanu no win. It's a new year. It's an early morning. Just having my coffee with my sweetheart. How are you guys doing? Did you tear it up last night? And so are you starting starting the year with a hangover?
No.
Well, dummy, how many times are you gonna do the same thing on New Year's Eve? Oh, let's drink too much. Oh, got to get all squabed up. Got to get squaby and ring in the new year. We're gonna celebrate. And then what happens? 8 hours later, you're totally dehydrated. You know, your liver is on fire.
Yeah.
Oh, now I'm hungover. That's a great way to start my life.
Oh,
That's what's stupid about weddings too. It's like, hey, should we get together and have a family? Yeah, it's a good idea. You know, we're in love.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know. Let's have an enormous party for every person we've ever known, and we'll start our life together by borrowing thousands of dollars to play princess and prince for one day, and then have a big dance in our own honor that night. And then, I know, how about we take out a loan for a house so we're indebted for 30 years?
Yeah,
that's how we'll start on the morning of our new life together, being married.
right. Hikes.
Don't be dumb.
Oh, jeez.
Today is the first day of the rest of your life.
Oh,
So, how do you want to start it? You going to start it with a walk around the block? Or are you going to start it by just lying on the couch until noon eating donuts? Oh, I'm so hungover. Oh, that was fun last night, huh, fellas? Not really. We just got drunk and played ping pong. Whatever. Who am I talking to? So yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Minawana gozi. Oshki kikanunoen. Happy New Year. Hope you're doing well. It's a new start.
Mm-hmm.
You can always start over.
Right.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Owa.
Oh.
So you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture? You've come to the right place, need you to learn about it all. Welcome to NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
La, 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 la.